Hello guys, so there is this update about the Taker mining, the Taker protocol, this particular one. So now let's go to their Hex account and see what their update is. They said Taker Lisa Cat NFT is now live. Unlock greater Taker allocation. Your gateway to Bitcoin incentive layer. Multi-chain meeting available. BNB chain, Arbitrum, then base and Ethereum chain. So it's either you use in USDT, USDC, USDT, and UXLINK. So meet now. So I'm waiting for it to load because it's like we are going to. I don't think this is compulsory actually, but let me see what the NFT meeting is all about. So unlock your early access with Taker Lisa Cat NFT. Choose your traits and define your release. Okay. Good. So Taker NFT, if you are connecting wallets here, make sure you connect the same wallet you use in mining the airdrop itself. Okay, sell Taiwan, price $250, allocation. Hey God, right? What is this? FDV $75 million, 3 months cliff with linear monthly unlocking of over 6 months. Then we have the second price, $625. Taker allocation 5,000 pieces. Then NFT amount 1,871. What the heck is this? So if I click on buy now, they want me to pay 200. Let me click on buy and see. I want to check something. Like, it's not even 40. What's this now? What's airdrop turning into these days? Okay, well, I see that it's not compulsory actually. They want us to increase our allocation. There is no need to increase. Let them give me the one that I have mined. Because I don't understand. Gosh. Let me log in and see what their buy looks like. For some people that want to buy, you can follow this procedure. I'm just going to show it. Because I know some people will be interested, but definitely not me. I just want to confirm if the whole of the NFT is $250 or per one. That's what I want to be sure of before concluding. Maybe I can decide to choose how many NFT I want to buy. So, what's wrong with MetaMask now? Let's load already. So I've connected my wallet. Let me click on this buy. I just want to confirm. Okay. They added a discount code to this place. Let me see what we are trying to do here. This is the community code. So let me see if I use the discount code, I'll be able to. So, please submit and verify completed. Let me switch to base. Okay, with the discount code, you'll be paying $200 per one to meet this Lisa NFT on Taker protocol. So you can buy as many NFT as you wish, but per one NFT is $200. So you can see when I added the discount code, it was they gave me $50 discount. So if I choose to one, so from here you can choose. This is Ethereum chain, this is BNB chain, and this is base chain, and this is Arbitrum chain. So whichever you are using to buy this, if you are interested, you'd select. Let's assume I want to use base to buy. then I have to have base USDT, like USDT on base network in my wallet, in my connected wallet. Then I will now click on Meet, and that's it. So if I'm using BNB to buy too, I have to have USDT on BSC network, which is the BEP20 USDT, then click on Meet. So if I'm using ARB Ethereum, the Arbitrum network, not ARB Ethereum, Arbitrum network, the Arbitrum one network, I can use UXLINK. For those that did this UXLINK airdrop, you might want to take the chance. So if I'm using Arbitrum, the Arbitrum chain to purchase, I can buy with UXLINK, I can buy with USDT, or I can buy with USDC. So, but if you are using Ethereum chain to buy, you can use any of this chain actually. Then you can buy with USDC and USDT. So just make sure you are applying the discount code. Maybe I'll drop it in the description box of this video. This is the discount code, this community code you are seeing, and that was why I was able to get the $50 discount. So they have if you are buying the 250 package, the $250 package, you'll be getting 3,333 tokens, not tokens. Remember, the one we are mining is points. So with this NFT meeting now, you automatically receive tokens, not points. So if you use $200, once you apply the discount code, you'll be giving $50 discounts. Then you use $200 to purchase, and you get 3,333 tokens allocation. You can see. So this is that. You see, people have meted. The total supply for this NFT is 7,500, and 4,295 has been meted. This space is funny somehow. So total supply for this NFT is 7,500, and 4,295 has been meted. And you can see, once they complete this total supply, they will be raising $75 million. And you see 3 months cliff with linear monthly unlocking over 6 months. So if you are buying, you are not selling everything at once. So that's what they mean by this 3 months cliff with linear monthly unlocking over 6 months. They are not allowing you to sell the whole of this 3,300 at once. So there will be linear unlocking every month for 6 months. So if you are using 600, and if you are buying the one of 625, you'll be getting 5,000 pieces of the taker tokens, and this one has only 3,000 total supply of the NFTs and of the NFT, and 1,871 has been meted. So this one, if they conclude this 3,000 meeting, they will raise $125 million for this NFT. That is huge. So by the time you convert, add $125 million plus $75 million. That's 100 and what? Like $200 million. That's what they want to raise from this NFT meeting. That's huge. Alright guys, so if you are interested, you can see where I came to. When you just check, I can drop this post in the description box of this video so you can access it. So this is it from the official page. You can conclude to meet if you are interested. It's not a must. They said unlock greater taker allocation. So meaning that if you meet, you get additional allocation, excluding the one you'll be getting from the mining page. You see, this is the mining page. It commences, they'll convert the points to airdrop, and you can get your allocation by them. Alright guys, so this is the update on the taker airdrop mining. I will subsequent updates on their TG allocation, checker, everything like that. And stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell, like and share this video. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.